Again for the law and you right here on Eyewitness News. Back with us tonight, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, nice to see you tonight.
Great to see you, Dave.
Well, we've got a question today, one that's a little bit complicated, so we'll get to it. And this one involves a road rage incident. Nina in Albrightsville says, my husband was involved in a road rage incident. An intoxicated driver hit the rear of his car several times while driving. When my husband pulled over to let him go by and he was able to get his plate number, the individual got out and punched a large dent in the side of the car. He filed a police report and told he would be subpoenaed to court as a witness. He called the driver's insurance company to file the claim, and they refused to pay it since it was intentional damage and not an accident. We could not afford to hire an attorney. I think Nina needs some help sorting this one out.
Yeah, so they're denying the claim based upon the fact that it was an intentional act, which road rage certainly can be. However, the insurance company is his insurance company is responsible for negligent acts or reckless acts, and I certainly think that if you look at the road rage statute, it's going to say something that's done with reckless indifference or intentional. So I think that you can make an argument here that the insurance company is going to be on the hook for this because it may ultimately be short of intentional conduct. So I think that, but you're going to have to, certainly going to have to get a lawyer to fight this out.
I agree. I think the insurance company is just trying to hide behind the intentional, which does void coverage with insurance, but I think it's more of a, I think you can survive the civil burden that you have, which would just be negligence. The other thing too is with the criminal case, it looks like with there may be some charges pending. Yeah. You might be able to get restitution. So when you let the police know, hey, I have a dent in my car here, go get an estimate, take it to the hearing, they may attach that to part of the case, and that part of his sentence is to pay for the damage to your car. So there's civil and criminal in these situations, so make sure you're addressing both.
Absolutely.
For those that may have a complex legal scenario and they want to talk to you guys, how can they do that?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT.
H-U-R-T, yes.
Yeah, we haven't done these in a while. Or let's go to the website, 714hurt.com. The other thing too is, I was thinking about something. The other thing too is, was your husband injured?
Just don't think anymore.
No, was he injured? I mean, he got hit by a drunk driver too. Yeah. That's a whole other case.
I just hope you remember the phone number. I got nothing else, Dave.
All right, let's wrap this one up. Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, have a good night. Don't forget PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.